Mungia kami BSc Holo Human Elephant Ku Existential Awareness Program Klaijaka Khoi Forest Department in Thungmungbai Borok Hatirong Bishingo Ungi Tongmani Opando Faimanjaka Egara Moharani Amsani MDC Boromgana Utpol Deb Borma Khoi Amsani Forest Officer Boromgana Ashok Kumar te Telemura Subdivision ni SDF Dinesh Koloi Social Worker te Ashok Deb Borma te Kabangma Bororok Manjaka O Shalo Forest Department ni Shamung Tangnero Borok by Hayungni Bishingo Kurangai Tongnani Hayungni Jagarong Matangai Narangnani Hayungni Malmatarong Matangani te Hasing Pantorongni Himani Lama Ungai Tongmani Lama Bahaki katit nai eba bahaki himnai karakhe kok shalakya te nung elephant eba mayong no tongmani nugui tongkhangge sing bahaki safety khai tongnai abo hairong no kok no tui saka Bureau Report Nogba TV
Ini je program wildlife ini উপরে যে
sakriman করে or posting plan করে main
আমরা কলেক্টিভ एक्चुअली पब्लिक नो ता मासा सिका आबले सिनि बीएफ साबो साका बरन बुखाते जा आसासले आदि बुखाते के मो पब्लिक लो ता साबो 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 पब्लिक लो सामानि के मो हाय मायुंगरो तंखु हाइपनो मायुंग जुनो फाइ डिस्टर्ब ता खाइ खाता खाइ आबो सिमिया मायुंगनि बागै mo amchani bororo mungsa ko taham khai mi angi tong lomde rubber kai sabai pai jago mage tang khai ka tang kai ko sai pai jago mungsa khai mi ani bagi mo amchani boro dialog lai to bor ni problem no saka sing tini bfo be agi bokok sare ga mono tini elephant na zama banchiri nai no borono bo zama banchiri nai side by side mo amsini boror no sung bahai klai economically strong khai mano abo bo sung sale ja borok suna strength rika chikon projects namnai romdi sami kaina ni punung ka romdi mushroom cultivation punung ka romdi chikon mo haina khai jang na akok sau borok abono help klai man kia bata bu question gai kaisa am chayo tumung mushroom amono khaikya kaisa am chayo muya mamono khaikya kaisa am chayo tumung sing jami mamono khaikya ga sabo sanai sabo painai bagi jeng phaliman so apuni bagi basang kaisa opinion dikha tumung government mohaino riwi tong hanggan ke government initiative na hatong abna pait langi kun kaisa daga thani phalinani so I don't think mo waisa Cox Haliman is a problem solved Haimanai, but definitely interaction financing Zaga Tangi or Samani Kami or Koglam Salinai Salimani missing 3 as early as possible, more problem was solved Hainani. But 100% Klaimanai, but maximum problem was solved Hinani. Especially Mayung Bai. Borok is a conflict of stop any type of and priority hanga borok abono base kaino drain clock drain money half purna ne ati so jora nanya ablang sani because abo department in department but assurance recover as far as Francis is concerned as early as possible borok le khana puno se borok clear tiyar to because most of human life in department Orno Bansira Nanganai, Bansira Ninga Hak or Punanino Nangai Brock Site on Ice. Abani was a livelihood finite.